Hello everyone. Let's start our fourth session of self-regulation goal setting of Unit 2 Employability Skills, Class 10. Now, goal settings, goals and settings, SMART goals. What do you mean by that? The goals, whatever we want to achieve in our life, we have to make some plans, that is known as goals. How to make a plan or how to implement that plan is known as setting. So some SMART goals were, take an example, a man was traveling and stopped at intersection between the road or anywhere. He asked an elder person, where does this road take me? The elderly person asked, where do you want to go? Means it is up to you only that where you want to go in your future or whatever your goal is there. So you have to only decide, otherwise you will just cross that particular line and you will only round and round and round and wasting your time. So the man replied, I don't know. The elderly person again said, then take any of the road whatever you want. What difference does it make? How true is that? When we do not know where we are going, any road will take us there. So, in our life, we always have to need that a clear vision should be there in our mind so that we can go where we at least want to go. Some few of the examples were there for to following that goal settings, how we can set our goals. Goal setting is a very essential factor in our personal life. The process of goal setting in our life help you to decide on how to live your life, where you want to be and how you want to be in our future. Now, what's the goals? There are a set of some dreams you have deadline on to get them. For example, saving pocket money to buy favorite mobile phone by a particular date. Another one, goal setting. It is all about finding and listening your goals and then planning how you have to receive them or you achieve them in your future. Goals allows you to separate out what importance would be there. It will also help you to focus on end result instead of less important work. This will make you successful in your life. So, how you will get or how you set your goals? We can use a simple meaning of 5 letters, that is known as SMART. By following the SMART solution, you can achieve your goals. First one, specific. Second one, measurable. Third one, achieve. Fourth, realistic. And last one, time bound. By achieving these all 5 SMART letters, you can achieve your goal. How the specific works? A specific or clear goals answers 6 questions. What 6 questions were there? Who is involved in the goal? You, your family, your parents, your teachers or your relatives were involved in that particular goal. What do I want to do in the life? Where do I start? When do I finish? Start and finish. Which means do I use and why I am doing this? By answering this all question, you can set that specific type of goal you can think. Not a specific goal, I would learn to speak English. That is not a type of a specific goal. The specific goal would be I would learn to speak English fluently by joining the coaching classes after my school every day, and in 6 months I will take part in inter-school debate competition. So, the first example is showing that I would learn to speak English. How would you learn? You have to just take the steps to learn the English. Then only you will achieve your goal. Otherwise, only thinking of doing something is not the solution. Next one is your measurable. A measurable goal answer the questions how much you have to achieve, how many, and how do I know that I have achieved the results. What would be not a measurable goal? I want to be a rich. How you will reach? When you will reach? It's not confirmed. So, measurable goal indicates that I want to have 5 times more money than what I have today in my hand, and at the end of this year, that year, or after 10 years, anyone. But you have to decide at least a particular time, measurable time, and your how much you want to achieve your goal in your life. You have to answer these questions. Next one, achievable. Breaking down big goals into a smaller parts will make the goal achieve. Bigger goal, what is do you mean by bigger goal? I want to become a teacher in my school, own school where we are studying. Breaking it into a smaller goals, complete what we have to do the to being a teacher. We firstly have to complete our higher secondary, then graduation, then taking B.Ed degree and applying the jobs in teaching field. Then only we can achieve that particular goal that we want to be a teacher. So, for achievable also you have to think and plan something for your future goals. Then realistic goal would be something that we want to achieve and can work towards. For example, unrealistic goal, I will read my entire year syllabus in one day like you all people are doing. Before just exam 2 to 3 days or before 1 hour you all are reading the whole book chapters, which is not a realistic material. You can't learn in a one day or in a 1 hour only. Realistic goals were I spend daily every 3 hours every day in the whole year after the school to revise my subjects to get a good marks in the exams. So, you have to work on daily basis at least 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, whatever you want, but you have to learn it on the daily basis. So, that things would be real and you can revise your subjects. Last one, time bound. A smart goal should have a time frame when and how much time you will require to achieving that particular goal. Many of you are having some types of goals. This encourages us to take action to completely fulfill, not a time bound goal. For example, I want to lose 10 kg someday, not decided, but I will lose 10 kg. It's not a decided day, so I don't think that the sentence or that particular person would lose. But how you can lose? By having a proper time bound goal. I want to lose 10 kg in next 6 months and daily doing the practice or yoga or anything for that, then only you can achieve that particular goal. So, these were the 5 smart letters which you use, or then only you can get the goals achievements. Thank you.